In this video I'm going to show you how to type on both sides of a Google Doc document. So what we are doing, we are adding some text, and as you can see it is placed on the left side on default. So if you would like to type also on the right side of this document, what we need to do is right click on the ruler and then you will find different options. We will click on add right tab stop. So what you have done now is basically add a new tab stop. And once we are going here and we will hold our key, then you can see that it is automatically going to the right side. And if I add some text now over here, add right text, you can see it is not positioned all the way to the right side. To do this, we can use this tab and we will move it to the preferred position. And now you have added also text on the right side. And this is basically how you type on both sides of a Google Doc on the same line. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!